Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Hope you are well. Today I will open some pack of All-Star Assortment pack. It's a part 2 about this product because I purchased this pack from a French seller. Let's go. It's some card edited in the beginning of the 90s, and I love this college throwback card. That it's a so sweet card of John Amat of Alabama. Let's go. I will open and will show you what I will succeed to pull. Let's go. First, John Amat. Oh, I love so much this card. So beautiful card. Now, Steve Niehos, Notre Dame. Luther Bradley, Tony Furjanic. That it's a Liberty Ball 83. What was the score? Oh, very close. Notre Dame 19, Boston College 18. Okay, you see nice. Mike Townsend. There is many players who I don't know that it's about now. North Carolina, John Yorkley, Pete Brennan, Charlie Schaefer. That is quite interesting because in the pack you have some cards like this and some cards like this. So you have at the bottom of the left you have the Coca-Cola logo. Billy Chamber, Charles Waddell. Now it's about North Carolina State, Kelsey Wims, Paul Coder, Derek Wintenberg, Glenn Joseph Sudhop, North Carolina State Cheerleaders. Now it's about Alabama, Curtis Lynch, Ben Smith, Bruce Jones, Larry Boer, Bobby Luna. That is now about Auburn, George Portela, Dave Middleton, Randy Walsh, Jimmy Partin, and Dave Edward. To be honest, I don't know any people or any player on this set, this pack, except John Amat. Let's go. Now it's a sweet first card. It's Tim Brown, one of the best wide receiver in NFL history. He didn't get the opportunity or the chance to play with a great quarterback, and even this fact, he succeeded a great career. That it's crazy nice. Tim Brown, I know this guy, I love this card. Pete Demerly, Ross Brunner, Phil Podzerak, Bob Burger, Louis Red Salmon, Ray Heath, Bobby Jones, John Yorkley, Pete Brennan, Don Johnston, Cosell McQueen, Kenny Matthews, cheerleader and mascot, Craig Watts, Larry Worsley, Woody Humphrey. It's about Alabama maintenant. Milton Frank, Junior Davis, David Brungar, Earl Smith. Now it's Auburn. Josh Kenmore, Tim Baker, Ricky Sanders is not the wide receiver of the former receiver of the Washington Redskins. Jimmy Putman and Mike Fitz. Same thing for this other pack, I know only Warren. I know only Tim Brown, but anyway, another pack. It's a Kenny Stabler. Love a lot this card of the front. After maybe I will knowing anybody in the pack. Let's go. Try to be okay. Ken Stabler, very nice card. So many great players come from Alabama. That it's a Notre Dame card. Oh, very close. 38 for the Notre Dame and 37 for USC. Joe Tessman, that is a great card. That's a sweet. I know these guys. Reggie Barrett, another Tim Brown card. Nick Eddy, Pete Brennan, Charles Waddell, Dale Chipples, Billy Chambers, Lenny Rosenblum. No Michael Jordan card on this pack. Glenn Sudup, Harold Thompson. Okay, I am seeking who is the best athlete forever about the North Carolina State. I think it's Thompson player, but not know if these guys or not. Terry Shackelford, I will say the best athlete ever who succeed in professional league. Craig Davis, Al Clements, I don't know this guy, but love this vintage photo. Steve Mott, Cavano Francis, Morlan Mosley, Erky Mosley, Wayne Hall, Mark Dominé, Reggie Herring, Ken Ernich, and Larry Willingham. Thank you for watching. All the best. I will show you the only third or fourth card of player who I know. Joe Tessman, Tim Brown, or two legendary players come from the same college. My John Ahmed card, and I like a lot also the Ken Stabler card. Two great players from Alabama too. And I will just put this card. Thank you for watching. All the best. Happy following sport. Bye bye.